Hey everybody, it's What's for Supper Wednesday night, and we're going to be making no peak beef tips. Daniel found this recipe and thought it would be good, so we're going to try it. You'll need 2 pounds of stew meat, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, beefy onion soup, 1 envelope, and 1 can of water to go with that, and a brown gravy mix. First we'll add the cream of mushroom soup. Then we'll get a can of water. Mix that good. This is just a 1-pan dish. Okay. Add the brown gravy mix. And then the onion soup mix. Mix that all up, get them chunks out. Get a whisk. Next, you'll add your meat. After you get all that mixed up, take a piece of foil, cover it up real good, and then you'll put it in a 300-degree oven for 3 hours. And it says no peeking. We'll be back in 3 hours.
Folks, it was delicious. This is definitely a keeper. Hope y'all give it a try. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching, and Lord willing, we'll see you Friday.